Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Abdul Razak Yahya from fastnowas.com. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can generate a share link for any page of your website or other people's websites. Because it is very important to share your web pages on social media. You have to share your content to people on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on LinkedIn, on the Twitter, and now X, etc. And unluckily, some websites do not add social media sharing icons on their website where you can go to and click to share their content. Example of that one is this content that you're seeing. This share links generator does not have share buttons, but this one you can share. How to improve your writing skills as a blogger. If you click this Facebook icon, it will be shared on Facebook platform. If you click on this Twitter logo, it will be shared on Twitter. If you click any of this, it will be shared on that platform. Sometimes you can forget the name of the website, the name of the company, and it can be very difficult for you to recall when sharing to your loved ones. So I have found a platform which you can use to generate a share link of any web page of your choice for any platforms. So what you should do now is you go to this website. I call it Share Links Generator. Just simply go to fastnowas.com. Let me go from the start. So navigate to the bottom and you click Share Links Generator. I'll drop this link in the description of this video. So you click this Share Links Generator and it will take you to this page. The Share Links Generator is a tool that helps you to get a link that you can share on Facebook, on Twitter, LinkedIn, email, and WhatsApp. So when you copy the URL which you want to share with your friends, you paste it here. Then which platforms you want to share it on. You select the platform from here. You can select Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, email, and WhatsApp. And you can select all the platforms so that you get the links of each of these platforms. You get them at once. Let's say, for example, this page, this website is the one that you want to share with your friends or loved ones. This is our website for selling ebooks, for web design, digital marketing, and SEO. Many things we sell on this website. Many ebooks, we sell it there. You can check it out. The link will be displayed or shared in the description of this video. So you highlight it like this and you click, you right click your mouse, then you click copy. You come back to this share link here and you paste it here. Paste. So you can see. So I'm going to select Facebook. I want to set this one on Facebook. So let me select Facebook. So for now, you can see no links generated. So it is time for you to generate the share links for Facebook. You click generate. Let's say generated share links. Facebook, it has been generated. And if you click this Facebook now, a new tab will be opened where you can share this one on Facebook. I have clicked that one already. Now I am on Facebook. So the title of that URL, the description, the meta or sponsored image of that web page which you want to share will be automatically displayed. This is the function of metadata. The metadata will contain your title, your description, your image, the name of the author, the published date, etc. If you are posting something on Facebook, 3 metadata titles or 3 metadata must be selected, which is the metadata of the sponsored image, metadata of title, and metadata of description. This is what that happened here. Here is the title, here is the description, and here is the image of this website that you are seeing, book. www.fastnowas.com. We want to share this website and they don't have sharing icon on their web page. So you can come here like this now and you click share. If you want to speak or say more things, you can say anything here that you can say anything that you want here. I'm not going to say anything, so I'm going to directly click share. The post is posting now, and shortly you will notice that it will be shared on Facebook. And this is it, Fast Noah's book, Unlocking Knowledge at the Speed of Thought. You can see that one was being shared on Facebook. I'm going back here. I'll click reset. If I click reset, this generated share links will be deleted, will be wiped off. So I'll click reset. It has been wiped off, and our URL for this page is been deleted. And I'll come here again, I'll highlight it, I'll copy, then I'll come back here and I'll paste it. This time around, I'm not going to generate for only one platform. I'm going to select all platforms. So all platforms, if I click generate here, they share links for all of the platforms. WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, email will be generated. So let me click on it now. Generate. You can see this is the generated link for Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, email, and WhatsApp. And this is how you can generate a share link for any web page of your choice without facing any stress. I hope this video has helped you. I created this tool. In fact, this share link generator was created by me, the owner of fastnowas.com. I have many resources to help you succeed in digital marketing, web design, and SEO. I want you to succeed in digital marketing. This is my aim. This is what that drives me. It is very important to share links of your website to people, because if you have shared links, if you share your links with people, they will get to know your website, your web page, or anything that you offer online. They can know it. But if you don't have shared links icons on your website, people cannot be able to share your links with their friends and loved ones. So this tool will help you do that step by step. If you know that this video has helped you, please consider subscribing to this channel. Comment with any question you have to ask via the comment section. I promise you I will reply to your comments. Give this video a like and share it with your friends. Thank you and bye bye.